In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Rick and Morty VR on Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up and play Rick and Morty on your Oculus Quest 2. The game is available for most Oculus headsets under the title Virtual Reality. So this is going to be a PC VR game, meaning that it is designed to run on a powerful gaming PC and then stream the VR experience to a compatible headset. What I'm trying to say with this is that you will not be able to do this only with the Quest headset. In conjunction with your headset, you will need to use a PC. So there is no workaround to this. You need a PC running the game and it's going to be streamed over to the Oculus Quest. So keep that in mind. If you need to know the requirements, they are going to be listed here on the recommended graphics card and recommended processor. So make sure that you purchase the game through the Meta store, and after this is done, you will have to connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your PC. There are two main ways to do this. You can either use a cable, which is what I recommend, because this will basically eliminate any sort of latency, or if you prefer, you can use AirLink. AirLink is going to be the wireless option. So for AirLink, you will be able to use it wirelessly connected to your PC, but you need a strong internet connection and a strong router. Choose whichever one you prefer, either purchase a link cable or use AirLink. So after this is done, you will have to download the Meta Quest Link app. So look for the Meta Quest Link app and download it from their official website. Inside of the application, go to Devices, choose the option to add a headset, choose the appropriate one, so in this video, the Quest 2, and once you select it, you can browse between the methods, wireless or cable. After selecting any of these, you will get instructions on what you have to do if you need additional help, so just follow the instructions here. Once the headset has been detected and properly verified here, and it says active with no errors, now you are ready to go back into the VR headset and choose Quest Link from the options. So choose Quest Link from the quick shortcut menu. If you want to use AirLink, tick this box here. And after this is done and you go into AirLink, you will be able to connect to your PC. With the headset connected to your PC, you can then launch Rick and Morty Virtual Reality and the VR experience will be streamed over. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Rick and Morty VR on Oculus Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.